In the world of aviation, building a helicopter requires the ultimate marriage of extreme engineering and physics. Every single rotorcraft is assembled from over 30,000 high-precision parts, built to survive brutal forces. Inside this vast aerospace facility, hundreds of specialists work alongside advanced robotics on a continuous line. The entire factory operates under strict climate controls to prevent microscopic contamination during critical steps. Manufacturing begins with certified raw materials, including aerospace titanium, Kevlar, and high-grade aluminum. Every incoming metal alloy batch undergoes rigorous spectral analysis to verify its exact elemental composition. Carbon fiber sheets are stored in specialized deep freeze units to preserve their heat-activated resin chemistry. Engineers inspect structural titanium forgings using ultrasonic scanners to detect any hidden internal defects. Once verified, raw sheet metal is laser cut with extreme precision to prepare individual airframe components. Massive 5-axis CNC milling machines carve solid titanium blocks into complex rotor hubs and structural brackets. Coolant fluid sprays continuously as diamond-tipped cutters operate at tolerances tighter than a human hair. To construct the rotor blades, automated robotic arms layer carbon fiber tape over precise aerodynamic molds. A honeycomb core made of lightweight composite material is sandwiched inside the blade for structural rigidity. The uncured rotor blades are sealed inside vacuum bags to remove every trace of trapped air before heat treatment. Blades are loaded into giant autoclaves where intense pressure and 300-degree heat fuse the composite layers. After curing, technicians meticulously trim blade edges and fit polished titanium strips along the leading edges. Assembly of the main airframe begins as workers secure skeletal aluminum ribs inside heavy steel alignment jigs. Pneumatic riveting tools secure lightweight outer skin panels directly to the helicopter fuselage frame. The main transmission gearbox is carefully assembled, housing precision-cut gears designed for extreme torque loads. High-performance turboshaft engines are lowered into position using overhead cranes and aligned to the transmission. Technicians connect dual-redundant hydraulic lines that will transmit mechanical force to the main rotor swash plate. Miles of specialized aerospace wiring harnesses are routed through the cabin floor and along the tail boom. The long tail boom structural module is bolted to the main cabin using high-strength titanium structural fasteners. Glass cockpit instrument panels and primary flight displays are installed and connected to digital avionics bay. The intricate swash plate mechanism and rotor mast assembly are mounted on top of the main gearbox housing. Every electrical circuit undergoes automated continuity testing to ensure zero short circuits or signal drops. The entire helicopter airframe moves into an automated spray chamber for protective primer and top coat application. Precision optical lasers measure the airframe alignment to guarantee absolute symmetry along the central axis. Technicians mount the fully cured main rotor blades onto the rotor hub using heavy-duty retention pins. The tail rotor drivetrain shaft is aligned with laser guidance to prevent high-speed rotational vibration. The completed aircraft is placed inside a soundproof chamber where the rotors are spun to test dynamic balance. Cabin doors, high-impact polycarbonate windshields, and emergency egress windows are sealed and installed. The helicopter enters a monsoon simulator booth where torrential high-pressure water jets test all door seals. Luxury leather passenger seating or modular emergency medical equipment is fitted inside the finished cabin. Fuel tanks are pressure tested and filled with turbine fuel for initial ground engine startup evaluations. Engineers perform full engine ground runs to verify hydraulic pressures, generator output and flight computer logic. A certified test pilot lifts the helicopter into a stable hover outside the hangar to assess flight characteristics. Following flight approval, final cosmetic touches and customer logo decals are applied in a clean room. Main rotor blades are carefully folded or detached to prepare the helicopter for international cargo delivery. Ready for service worldwide. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries every week.